माफी मांगना जरूरी है क्या?
देखना चाहता हूँ तुम में कितनी हिम्मत है।
डन बापू।
Gandhigiri seems to be getting the better of not just Bollywood but beyond as well.
मेरा रास्ता आसान नहीं है।
Spilling over to Press Council of India Chairman Justice Markandeya Katju.
The incident happened 20 years ago, during which Sanjay Dutt had underwent a lot of hardship. Then he has got married. He has got 2 small children. Then he has done a lot of good work, like spreading the message of Gandhiji, the father of the nation.
Parliament was equally vocal about the demand for mercy. After all, Dutt was a popular screen icon, a family man who some 20 years ago thought an AK-56 was a good defense weapon.
I agree with Katjuji that Sanjay Dutt has suffered a lot. He's a changed person and I'm going to personally go and appeal to the governor.
वकील की गलती की वजह से फंस गया, पर संजय दत्त को फंसना भी नहीं चाहिए था। सजा ज्यादा से ज्यादा 6 महीने 1 साल की होनी चाहिए थी और 1.5 साल की सजा वो ऑलरेडी काट चुके।
The SP saw no wrong in what Munna Bhai had done. After all, the SP was the party that Dutt had been a member of. It was left to the BJP to strike a more discordant note.
गलत संदेश ये जाएगा कि आप राष्ट्र विरोधी गतिविधियां कर सकते हैं और साफ छूट सकते हैं अगर आप असरदार व्यक्ति हैं, अगर आप पैसे वाले व्यक्ति हैं और अगर आप किसी न किसी तरह से सत्ता पक्ष के साथ जुड़े हैं।
And the ruling party trying to balance it out.
That those people within government who are seized with the responsibility of dealing with this issue would take that statement into cognizance and then, if required, formulate an appropriate response.
Sanjay Dutt has been brand ambassador for Gandhigiri, but then that was on the silver screen. The reality is a little different. And while he has been put away for 5 years based on evidence before the courts, what security and intelligence officials point out is that there is another body of evidence, for example taped conversations, which, if admissible before a court of law, would have put Dutt away for life. In New Delhi, this is Neetu Jain.